Here's a recipe for a homemade face pack that can help you achieve glowing skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. Mix all of the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to your face and neck using your fingertips, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave the face pack on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off the face pack with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. 5. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Honey helps to moisturize and soothe the skin, while turmeric powder contains antioxidants that can help to brighten and even out skin tone. Plain yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help to exfoliate and brighten the skin. Please note this: it's always recommended to do a patch test before applying any new skincare product to your face to avoid any potential allergic reactions.